Okay, good morning ma'am. I'm Sarin Mandiayo, student nurse from Primary University of Pangasinan. So today I will be assisting in conducting your health assessment of your nose, mouth, and then your throat. Okay, so this assessment po, I will ask you some questions and then followed by physical examination. I will assure that all we will discuss here will keep confidential and to ensure your privacy and comfort. I will close the door and then for names. Okay. Okay na po na lahat, ma'am? Okay, thank you so much. So, if you have any concerns or needs, you can tell me at any time po, okay? So, before we start, I just want to verify your identity. Can you state your name, please? Date of birth? Okay, thank you so much. So, now, I will ask you na some questions po, okay? Now, have you experienced any frequent nosebleed, okay, or nasal congestion? Wala naman po. Thank you so much. So, I will document that. So, have you had any recent infections, allergies? Wala naman po. So, have you undergone any surgeries in your nose, mouth? Wala naman po. Thank you so much. So, does in your family member have a history of allergies, sinus problems? Wala naman po. Okay, so do you smoke po ba? Or use tobacco? Okay. So how often do you visit dental, ma'am? Every month, so there is a braces na po. Okay, so thank you so much. So now I will do the physical examination na po, okay? First, I'm going to start by looking at your external nose to check any skin changes or abnormalities, okay? Or swelling naman po. Okay, so far, wala naman po nakikita abnormalities and swelling and then any skin changes po. Your nose po is symmetrical and healthy naman po, okay? So now naman po, I will palpate your nasal bridge to check if there is any tenderness. Do you feel any tenderness? Pain? Wala naman po. Thank you so much. So now naman po, can you close your one nostril using your one finger and then breathe in, inhale, exhale. On the other side, inhale, exhale. So now naman po, I will check naman po your internal nasal cavity. Check to check the nasal mucosa, the septum, and then any discharge. Okay? So far po, wala naman po ako makita any discharge, polyps, and deviation septum. And then your nasal mucosa naman po is healthy naman po. Okay? So now naman po, I will palpate naman po your frontal sinus. Okay? Then the maxillary. Okay, so far, lahat naman po is okay, okay? So, and the other sides. Okay. Thank you so much. So, yun po. Okay, sa mouth na tayo. Hindi, may papamaamoy lang pala ako sa'yo. So now naman po, may papamoy po ako sa inyo. Ang dami po, iba na po yung pinaamoy po sa inyo. Okay? So, can you close your eyes? Okay, wait lang po. Okay. What is this? Okay, thank you so much. So, everything looks good naman po. Okay? Wala naman po akong napansin any problem sa nose po. Okay? So now naman po, I will check your mouth. Okay, so first I'm going to start by looking at your lips. So far, your lips po is color pink and symmetrical naman po. Healthy naman po. Wala naman po nakikita any discharge. Okay, so now naman po, I will check your inside of your mouth, your gums, and your teeth. Can you open your mouth? Okay. Okay, so far, wala naman po nakikita any missing teeth or decay. Okay, or inflammation. So now, stick out your tongue naman po. Okay? So your tongue moves good naman po and wala naman po ako ulit na nakikita any discharge. Okay? So, now naman po I will check the soft palate and hard palate. Can you say ah? And so far, that naman po is good naman po. Okay? And closer na po. So now naman po I will check the palate and your uvula po. Okay? So, can you open your mouth, okay? So, your uvula and palate is normal and symmetrical naman po, okay? So, now naman po, I will check naman po yung, ano po? And I will check the tonsils and oral palate. Okay? So, your all goods naman po ulit. Wala naman po kung nakikitang any redness. Wala naman po nakikitang any redness or swelling sa inyong tonsil and oral palate. Okay? So, naman po, I will palpate your parotid, submandibular, and sublingual gland. Okay? Okay. Wala naman po kung nararamdaman na any swelling sa inyong side ng inyong mouth. So now I will examine naman po yung neck nyo. So I'm checking for symmetry, skin changes, and any abnormalities po. Okay? So your neck naman po looks symmetrical and trachea is midline. Okay? So now I'm going to palpate your lymphoid naman po. Okay? So I don't feel any enlarged lymph nodes. Okay, so now I will palpate your thyroid gland naman po. Okay? Hindi po kayo. Okay. Okay, isa pa po. Okay, swallow. Again. Okay, so your thyroid gland is normal naman po. So now I will assess naman po yung range of motion ng neck nyo. So, can you move your neck? Sa side, sa front, sa back, and then ikot. Okay po. So, your range of motion in your neck po is good naman po, normal, and wala naman po nakita problem sa inyo. So, everything naman po is good. Wala po nakita sa problem sa nose, mouth, and then your sa neck mo po. Okay? So, don't worry ma'am. I will document all the findings. And if you have any concerns and needs, you can tell me at any time. Okay? So, do you have any questions, concerns? Wala naman po. Okay? So, ma'am, did you feel any discomfort during the test? Wala naman po. That's good po. So, thank you so much po. Bye po.